Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you my whole other world in Farm Together that I'm really good at, like super OP at. Here with another video. Farm Together is not gonna be part of the series. I'm just gonna be showing you around this. I just made my house here. You see, this is my dad's room. This is the kitchen. This is some, you can see this is my room. So yeah, there's my dog. I'm just gonna go out. This is my tree house. Here's my flower stand. I have a lot here. It's not my normal one. This is my other one that I'm like really good at. I have all of those just in case I've run out of money. Dad's here with me. Just made a video like a minute ago. So yeah. I made a video a minute ago just like telling you that like bad stuff happened because I couldn't upload a video. Yeah, go watch that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be playing in this one, showing you around. This is my whole place. I have over there, you can see this is technically the tree place. I just made this part for no reason, it just kind of looks cool. So yeah, I have a bunch of watermelon because they're so good. They give you so much money. I get like so much from it, so much. Yes, flax. Is there enough flax though? Oh, there's not enough flax. Oh wait, there is enough flax, yes. That's good, that's good. So, I'm just gonna be showing you around this place. All my animals. Hey, where'd my other one go? Oh, never mind. So I have a lot here. My little path, there was a lot of diamonds, was it? Let me see. What's new here? Oh, lamp and gold. I was playing in my friend's world and I made like a soccer. I made a soccer place. Oh, I gotta turn it. What is it? Yeah, it's 7 diamonds, so making this, it was a lot of diamonds. This is like my tree place. Whatever. Go to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you around this place. This is my home base over here. If I make any videos here, it's gonna be starting over here. I don't think I did it over here. If it's not starting over here, it's starting over there. You can see over by the bus stop. That lights up. You can see that light over there. It's that place that I showed you. That I made it for like literally no reason. It just looks cool. And it lights up. So yeah, it's kind of why I made it. Going past my animals. Go. Oh, good thing we can't. I've been there before. Good thing we can't fall into water, not lava. If we could fall into lava, I keep saying water when I'm trying to say lava, and when I'm trying to say water, I say lava. I'm just mixing my brain up. This place is for no reason. I just tried it. Didn't do anything there. Also, this place in front of me. Didn't do anything there. I don't have enough time because I started making videos. Yeah. This is only my little tree place, whatever thing. I don't know. thing, whatever. I just keep saying that. Okay, there we go. Here's all my flowers. I like this. Put these trees around it. It looks nice. Here's my house again. I have so many of these things just to keep my money away. I gotta get up here. What is this I forgot? Yeah, cherry. I think they give you a lot of money. A lot of money. So when he's done with that, I'm gonna end the video here once he's done with that. So yeah, you can see the watermelon gives me so much money, but it takes a day to get. But it gives me $940 coins, not dollars. If it was dollars, that would be too much money. I would have no space for anything else in my life. This whole farm would just be money. I wouldn't need a farm. I'd be like probably a millionaire. You can see I'm almost at $1 million. Well, not dollars. That would be too much. I just told you that. Oh, my sister's making noises. She's always gonna do that. Just trust me. Because last time when I was like making the part 1 and part 2, and part 3, it wasn't loud. Well, only part 1 and part 2 because my sister and my mom weren't here, but now they are. So that's why it's loud. My sister is like being loud. So yeah. What am I doing? There's nothing to do here. I already showed you everywhere. So yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it? I think it's spring. That spring? Don't know. I don't know. I spent all my diamonds just building inside my tree house today. So yeah, because I just really wanted to make my house bigger, so I just spent all my diamonds. My sister's playing Roblox. I think it's Royal High. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a video with her once. She might be screaming a lot because that's sometimes what happens. So yeah. Of course, my dad is gonna have to be here, and maybe my mom too. This looks so cool right here. Why does it have a badge on it though? Why does the sign need a badge? Because it has really good writing, which it does. It does. What happened to the sign though? It has a hole in it. This very beautiful sign. Why isn't the hole at the back then? It looks like it's about a gunshot or something. Maybe a sniper bullet. Make it kind of looks like an eye. Why can't I put my face against it? This game is weird, so I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna stop the video here. There's my dad. Where is he? This is big, you can see. Well, wait up for me! Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Oh yeah. Nope. I forgot. I'm just looking around downtown. Making my way downtown with my team. Going to get me some foot cream. Flamingo. Go watch him, subscribe to him. Like on his videos. Definitely that. Making my way downtown with my team. Going to get me some foot cream video. So cool. It's not so kill. It's not so kill. It's not so cool after a while. Once you sing it for a while, you're gonna be singing it a lot. If you watch it, though. Only if you watch it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this video here. Hope you enjoy. And bye. Bye, really.